Okay guys, so we're here with another Mustang video. I know you're all looking forward to this one. And yeah, let's get right into it. So in the last video you saw we got it running, but then it quit running and we never could get it running again. So since then we've taken the carburetor off and we cleaned the whole thing out, and actually the jets were bent. The main jets, the metering rods or whatever they're called, they were bent on both of them, along with the springs for the metering, not the metering rods, but the springs in the main jet were also different sizes. So we have the same size springs in. I have like a medium spring, so it should be pretty good. And then I also put in new metering rods that are not bent. And we also cleaned out all the other jets and everything, along with putting new metering jets in. I think that's what they're called. We also put new ones of those in. So this carb should be ready to go. I have it set the 2 screws a turn and a half back from fully in. So we'll see what that does. I have no clue what the adjustment should be on it. And I have no clue where we have the timing right now. But yeah. I hooked the car back up, so I'm gonna crank it over and see what we get, and we'll work from there. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere. If you ask me, I think that looks like a pretty good angle for you guys to watch. So yeah, let me get the car keys, crank it over. Hopefully everything goes as planned, because I am here by myself. But yeah, we'll see. Where did I put my phone? I did not leave it in the engine bay. I think it's sitting right. Oh, here it is. Perfect. Okay, we'll crank this sucker up. Okay, that is really good that it started up and ran. So now, I think we just gotta fiddle with these adjustments. It ran and sounded pretty good with the way the distributor was facing right now, so I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna turn up my throttle screw right on this right side of the carburetor, and then if I get it running pretty good on that, then I'll start fidgeting with the main adjustments in the middle. Because I think that's how I'm supposed to do it. I watched a YouTube video. So YouTube certified. Yep. I'll also spray some go-go juice in it again. See what happens. Going good so far. I just shifted the distributor a little bit to see if I can get any different little reaction out of it. Let's spray some more go-go juice in it. Yep. Why not trench it, right? Turn the distributor back. Seem to be doing better right here. Some more of the sucker. So I think we hit the sweet spot. Seems to be right about here. I'm gonna twist this back just a hair. I don't know why this thing is so difficult. It's hard without a timing chain or anything. And by yourself, you can't run out and start moving it. Just gotta kind of go by ear, I guess. Let's mess with this screw some more. Oh, we were so close. So close. water cool down. It's like, just run. Just run. What? Okay, so I've been tinkering with it. I just turned the screw up a lot and it was stuttering a lot, and then it backfired out the back, so I don't know. It's getting too much, I assume it's getting too much fuel, so I just now went the other way and I turned it down, and we'll see if it will run now. So I don't know if it was just overflowing itself with fuel, and that's why I was cutting off, so this should determine. Okay, so I just did a lot of work while the camera was sitting here off, but I think I get the hang. I think I'm getting the hang of what the heck I'm doing with this thing. So yeah, it's actually now firing up a little bit, so I'm just gonna keep. Right there in the sweet spot. Maybe we need a little bit different of a ratio. That's all I have time for right now. Gotta go to soccer practice now, so yeah. This may or may not be the end of this video. I'm gonna break it out just in case if it is. So if you guys like what you see in this episode of us trying to turn over this thing, messing with the fuel ratio of it, leave a like and subscribe, because guess what, there's gonna be another video of it and you're gonna want to watch it. So yep, see you guys, bye.